In this video, I will show you how to change recovery email in Gmail. So if you ever forget your password or get locked out of your account, you have a better chance of getting back in quickly. Make sure to follow along and watch this full tutorial as I show you where to find the recovery email settings and how to update them step by step. And if this video does help you today, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more simple Gmail and tech tutorials. I really do appreciate it. To get started with this, what you want to do is head over to google.com. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your Google account icon. What it's going to do is bring up a window like this. Now make sure you're logged into the correct account like once you change the recovery email for. Then from here, what you want to do is click onto manage your Google account. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to your Google account screen. From here, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto personal info. In here, you're going to see email, so an option for email. Give that a click and that's going to take you to a screen like this. This is where you can actually come to change your recovery email. So as you can see, there is an option here where you can find your current recovery email. If you give this a click, and what you're going to want to do is sign into your account. So this is just to verify that it is you wanting to change your recovery email. And once you signed in, you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, all you need to do is click the pencil icon next to your current recovery email. What you can then do is enter your new recovery email that you want to change to in the box here. Once you've done that, click on to save. And what it's going to do is send a quick 6-digit code to your new recovery email to verify it. So you just want to log into your email and then enter that code into the box here. Once you've done that, click on to verify. And what it's going to do, as you can see, it says recovery email verified at the bottom. And we've now updated our recovery email. So that is how to change recovery email in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.